Okay, we finally got the mouth all situated and fixed up there. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue our ears on. I put these blocks on so when we screw it in, they don't slide on us. And I've marked where we want to put them. So we're going to glue them and screw them in. The glue will keep it from rotating on you, and the screw will hold it in, keep it from falling off on you. And I'm using 1.5-inch screws.
I've only just barely tried Tinder just for almost for the social experiment of it. It's even worse than I thought.
It's snug.
We have a Tinder expert in the room, Sophie. Now you are.
Well, I will say I feel like Hinge is getting more popular. Like,
we got that one in.
Yeah. Is that and that's hetero? Just make it clear.
But the block really helps to keep it from rotating on you. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
I actually was the what's the word when you do a wedding for somebody? Officiate? The officiant. I married a couple friends of mine. They actually met on Bumble. Oh, okay. Yeah. That one works for them, and they're a great couple. They've been married for quite a while. I don't think Bumble's even out there. Bumble is the Sadie Hawkins version of Tinder, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I forget how it worked. Yeah, she found him, but we were in the back. She was showing me how it worked, and she was going through the various pictures, and I'd never been on one of those. There'd be guys with their mom, guys in front of their trucks, guys holding a fish.
The fish picture is the infamous picture that people use.
Yeah, right. Now, Kostaki, would you let me write your bio? Oh, that's a great idea, Kostaki. There's nothing at all wrong with that. Yeah. Drink, hetero.
Straight. So now we got everything done here. We gave it a good sanding down. So now we'll go in and we'll seal it. And we'll fill these holes with putty that are in there. But everything's working good. So we're ready to move on to the next step. Last thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and screw this hook into the bottom down here. And then we're done. Thanks for watching.